name is Connor.
My name is Sam Chow.
I'm John.
Well, my name is Jack.
Guys, you know what?
What do you mean?
Just to remember the party at my house?
Yes, party.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it's very amazing.
How do you think about it?
Oh, very great.
Very great, yes,
Maybe
sure.
try.
Yeah, all of us, I don't remember that I saw so many dozens of beer.
Oh,
yeah.
No, drink more.
I don't recognize that. He's a drunkard.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
I can't remember.
You got it?
Yeah, and I think he's too drunk.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm not sure yet.
Yeah.
That time I don't know.
Don't know. Yeah. Who's phone?
Oh, it's my phone.
Oh, your phone.
Just call me. Now I'm busy. Oh, I'm sorry,
Oh,
sorry.
yeah. That's okay.
Who's this? Oh, John? Who's this? Hello?
How are you, Connor?
Yes, I am.
Are you free today?
Today? Yes, I am.
Do you know what is tomorrow?
Tomorrow? Let me think. I think it must be Wednesday.
Wednesday?
Yeah, sure.
I totally forget. Tomorrow is my birthday.
The birthday. Oh, yes, sure.
Yes,
I forgot.
birthday.
Yeah.
So, would you mind if I need you come to join me tomorrow?
Tomorrow? That sounds great. I always wanted this guy. Yeah.
And you can suggest your friend to join me tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Okay, yeah, I will. I promise. And in fact, what time does the party gonna start?
My party gonna start 7, 8 p.m.
7 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay,
But I need you can arrive here at 5 p.m.
5 p.m. Okay, okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, so see you then.
Okay, see you here.
Okay. Aha, you know what? Have you stop this food? One person. He come from Australia.
Wow, Australian?
Australia, yeah.
What's his name?
John.
John?
Yes,
Very
go
good
to
name.
the place. Are you free tomorrow?
Sure.
You free?
Yeah. Always
Okay.
free. Always
So,
free.
I can let you go to the farm or anywhere.
Oh.
I just need to go with me to Vientiane.
Me?
Yes, because this person he called